In today's video, I am going to teach you how to view your saved credit card numbers on Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you are using the Chrome browser where your payment information has been saved. Once Chrome is open, go to the top right corner of the window and click the three vertical dots. From that menu, select Settings. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the section called Autofill and Passwords, and click on it. After that, select Payment Methods. Take a moment to look through the payment methods list and find the card you want to view. Chrome may show only partial card details at first, such as the last few digits. To view the full card number, find the card you want, then click the three dots or the arrow icon next to it. From there, choose Edit. Chrome protects saved payment information, so before it shows the full details, it will ask you to verify your identity. You may be prompted to enter your device or computer password or use a biometric login method such as fingerprint or facial recognition, depending on your system settings. Once you complete that authentication step, Chrome will allow you to view the full saved card information. If you do not see your saved card, make sure you are signed into the correct Chrome profile, since payment methods can be tied to a specific browser profile or synced account. That covers everything you need to know.